What's up YouTube, it's your boy James back with another video. And with football season right around the corner, I'm going to show you the difference between a Nike Limited jersey and the Nike Vapor Untouchable Elite jersey. Before I drop this knowledge on you, if you could do me a huge favor and smash that like button for me, it really does help with the YouTube algorithm, puts my videos out in front of way more people and helps the channel grow tremendously. And if you're new to the channel or haven't yet already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video. I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. So today's topic is going to cover the NFL Nike jerseys. I recently had a friend who went and bought a Tom Brady jersey at NFLshop.com, and he swore that he bought the Vapor Untouchable Elite jersey, and then when he showed it to me, I was like, nah, you bought the limited one, it's for $150. And he was like, well, what's the difference? So I explained it to him or whatever. Shout out Terry. And I thought this is a good idea for a video. I think some people are generally confused about what the difference is. Because on one hand, the Nike Limited jersey is $150, and the Vapor Untouchable jersey is like $300 and up. So we're just gonna go over these jerseys, and then you can decide for yourself, which one in your price range you think is worth the money. I do have a Nike Limited jersey in hand, and also a Vapor Untouchable jersey as well. Bam! Now both of these jerseys are from last season, the 2019 season, but the materials and the line is still exactly the same for this year. This is a Ben Roethlisberger jersey, and this is from last season, like I said, and this has the 100th anniversary patch on the neckline. And the other jersey that I have is a Minkah Fitzpatrick Vapor Untouchable Elite jersey, and this is from last year as well. Dude, this Roethlisberger's still brand new. I didn't even wear it yet. So now let's take an up-close look at both of these jerseys and see what the differences are here. Alright, so here's our up-close side-by-side comparison of the jerseys. Right off jump, I can tell that the neckline on the Limited jersey is definitely different than the one on the Vapor Untouchable. So here's the neckline on the Limited jersey. And here's the neckline on the Vapor Untouchable. The one on the Vapor Untouchable is more in line with what the NFL players actually wear on the field and what it really looks like. On the Limited jersey, it is tagless. It's dry fit material. This is a size large. And this feels shiny and smooth. This tag is a size 44. This is a large. And this tag feels more like cloth material. So it's like a little bit better constructed. On the Limited jersey, you have your metallic NFL logo. You're going to find this on all the jerseys. No matter if it's an Elite or a Limited or even a game jersey, which is a lower base model of these jerseys. And on the Vapor Untouchable, here's what this one will look like. Now, I'm going to focus on the Nike Limited jersey for a minute. Now, on each sleeve, you have your Nike logos. Now, those, I believe, are heat pressed. I don't think they're stitched. And then you have your Steelers logo here on the chest, and I believe that is stitched. Now, the sleeves are definitely going to be a big difference. On these ones, these are screen printed graphics, which, to be honest with you, feel really, really nice. And it's really well constructed. And they have that on both sides. Now, the issue with that is that when you wash this over time, that's going to peel. Okay, so then you have your number in the center. Now, this is stitched. And it's pretty well stitched. This is pretty good quality right here. Now moving down to the bottom of the jersey, you're going to have your jock tag, and this is a size large, and that's stitched as well. Now moving on to the back of the jersey, you have your lettering for the last name, and you have your number. Now both of these are stitched, and here's just a shot of the stitch job that's on this. Actually pretty good. And here's another one of the number. It's definitely not bad quality for sure. Now this jersey is made from dry fit material, which means that it will repel water or sweat or anything like that. But this is made from 100% recycled polyester material, which is one of the big differences between the limited and the Vapor Untouchable jersey. And you'll see that in a second. Now let's take an up close look at the Vapor Untouchable. So here, right off the bat, you can tell that the sleeves are differently. They're cut with the same exact material that the jersey is made from, which on this one is an 88% nylon and 12% spandex. And those sleeves are cut to sort of like have the illusion of wearing like shoulder pads and stuff like that, which for a while I didn't really like, but now I really do kind of appreciate it. It does give it more of an authentic look, and it does look cool if you wear like a long sleeve shirt underneath it and stuff like that. But as you can tell by the material, it is better quality, and then around the sleeves here, you do have that spandex. And that's definitely some better quality than some screen printed graphics that's on the other one. So this Steeler logo here, this feels a lot better quality than on the limited jersey, so that's another difference. And here the numbers are stitched, obviously. And guys, you know what? The stitch job on this is basically comparable to the other jersey. I mean, like, there's really not that much of a difference here. They feel the same. So, you know, you're not gaining or losing anything by either jersey. They're exactly the same. The jock tag here is the same exact material, same quality. Obviously, it says something different. You know, this says 44 and that says large, but it's the same size. So on the back of this jersey, once again, you know, you have your sewed lettering there. But another difference that most people won't catch or probably won't even notice is this nameplate is definitely more durable, higher quality material than on a limited jersey. And I'll go back to that Roethlisberger here and show you that in a second. It does look the same, but you can tell by the touch that this is definitely like a cheaper kind of material. So that's another small difference, but it does make a difference. Alright, so here's your laundry tag here, and you're going to see that this is made out of 88% nylon and 12% spandex, and the other jersey was 100% recycled polyester. So you get a little bit of high quality here. So I hope this review has helped you, just kind of see the differences. And if you're planning on making one of these purchases in this line, no matter what team it is, the materials and the quality is going to be the same. So whether you're a Bills fan, Steelers fan, Cowboys fan, it's not really going to matter. But if you have any questions about these jerseys, just leave a comment down below and I'll try to answer them as best as I can. I'm pretty knowledgeable when it comes to these things, so don't hesitate to reach out. So there you have it. There's a lot of differences between the jerseys, but there's not that many differences. One is a lot more money than the other one, but I think that if you're looking for something that is gonna last you could wash, is gonna be with you for years and stuff like that, I would definitely recommend spending the extra money and getting the Vapor Untouchable Elite jersey rather than the limited. But if you don't care about that and you just want something nice to rock on game day, around your friends, or if we're ever allowed to go to games again, things like that, then the Nike limited jersey is definitely a good option. It is really well made. So that choice is totally up to you. But like I said, if it was me, I'm gonna go with the Vapor Untouchable 99% of the time, unless I get a limited jersey like really cheap. As always, I appreciate all the support that you guys are showing me. I appreciate all the new subscribers. Thank you. We're growing at a very nice pace, and I'm totally humbled by that. But if you could just please hit this like button before you go, it really does help me out. And if you're new to the channel, maybe you've watched some videos before and just haven't yet hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you never miss any content that I drop on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace.